Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Before you begin, prioritize safety and workspace organization. Always disconnect the battery and wear gloves and eye protection before working on the bike. Park the Dominar 250 on a level surface and use the center stand. Gather tools including 8mm and 10mm sockets, a torque wrench, an OBD dongle, and the ECU cable. Confirm you have a stable laptop with matching software. Expect to work in a well-ventilated area and avoid open flames near the fuel system. Start by removing the seat and side panels to expose the ECU and wiring harness. Verify battery voltage is stable at 12.6V before flashing or tuning. Locate the ECU connector and attach the OBD cable securely to avoid interruptions. Launch the tuning software on your laptop and install drivers if prompted. Read and save the original ECU map file to a safe backup. Label the saved file with date and bike identifier for easy restoration if needed. Prepare a conservative modified map that increases the rev limiter by 500 to 1000 RPM safely. Upload the modified map using the tuning software while battery voltage stays above 12.4V. After flashing, reconnect everything and start the engine to monitor RPM response at idle and under light throttle. Perform a dyno run or measured road test to verify smooth power delivery and watch for knock or overheating. If any issue appears, revert to the original saved map and diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.